Hey guys, welcome to back my channel. This is Kal. I have been gone for a little while. I know, I am so sorry about that. But today I am back with a new tutorial video and I will show you the most important things, mostly for beginner editors. Easy ways to edit on CapCut PC. So, let's start. First, open your CapCut on your PC and don't forget to sign in with your Gmail because some of hidden materials will show you when you sign in with your Gmail. So let's click new project. Here it looked like our layout. Guys, honestly I'm kind of so scared a little. I'm not a good teacher, but for you I will try my best. So let's get back to our point. Before you get started with editing, there is some little settings to set up first. Go to modify and click it. As you can see, set the frame rate from 24 fps to 16 fps. It helps us to edit and see our results smoothly. Also make sure the proxy setting is on. It also helps us to make our editing space smooth. After that, click import and select your edit audio. You can download it from TikTok, search it like audio for edits or edit audios, something like that. And after that, we start cutting the video like this, like adding the bit from us to edit. And I use this way because it saved me so much time. As you can see, this is the split option. It has 3: normal split, delete left, and delete right. So keep splitting the audio, following the beat. From now it's enough. Then click import again and upload our scene pack. I use Elena Gilbert. Guys, I love to use her senses for editing because she's so fun to edit and her senses are so tea.
I will start fresh. Do you have a big presentation today?
Drop into the editing layout. Here we go again. We start doing this. The edit, sorry. Now we can choose the senses we will use, like beautiful, just eye-catching senses. Guys, I hope my tutorial and the speech is clear for you. I am so trying. Like I said before, I am not good at teaching, but I will try my best. And instead of dropping the full scene pack on here, choosing from it, let me delete it and I will show you my easy way. On import section, hold on your mouse, right click and slowly go like this until you find the scenes you want. Once you find it, just grab and drop it into the editing layout like this. So this is the normal split. You can use it to cut, then go find another. And I found my favorite scenes. We will use this one for the intro, guys. And if the layout starts lagging while processing, you can change 60 fps to 13 fps. After you finished, you can export at 60 fps. And on editing, choosing senses will take me so much time. I don't know about others, but for me, I hate this part. So sorry. Not sorry actually. Okay, I will be back after I finish this one. I am back! Okay, I finished picking the senses. And now we go select all clips. Click the audio and turn it off. Or you can mute it here. But it will mute the intro scenes too, so use the first option. Then select the clips again and zoom in using the scale. It will zoom all clips at once. It is the easiest and fastest way, one of the ones I use when I edit. As you can see now, let's fix clips frame by frame like this. Follow me guys, carefully. Yeah, here we go again. See, it's easy. Like this again. Now like this again. Yeah, we finished guys. Okay. Now select all clips again, go to the speed option and click curve view. Choose the custom method. It gives you the really ability to make your smooth curve. So like this. It is actually my smooth sailing mostly. So it's easy and good. I recommend it. And as you can see, the clips are now out of the bit. Now we select them and feed them back the beat like this, one by one. Yeah, now we finished again. Now, for the last time guys, I swear, select all clips, go to back the speed option and turn it on smooth slow motion and choose instead of frame blending optical flow because it gives you smoother results and more than the frame blending. Then wait for them to finish applying. Okay guys, now let's fix the intro scene. Click the intro scene and zoom it. Now follow my steps carefully. Split the scenes like this and leave a little place like this. Then go back and put them together side by side. Now we fit them frame one by one like this. So it gives us a good intro. And now select the video and right click your mouse, then click extra audio. And click mute to extract the music audio too. Click the intro audio and turn it the volume up or down, just fit it however you want. Down below click vocal isolation and make sure you select keep a vocal. It removes background noises and other stuffs, only keeping the talking, and wait for it to finish. By the way guys, this only works on network, so if you are offline, make sure you are on your Wi-Fi to access this. Now we almost finished.
And did you deal with Damon?
Yes. Yeah.
For 4 days?
Now go to the library and find the white overlay. Mine was missing when I recorded this. Oh, I think I found it, guys. Zoom in and go to blend, turn it on click mode and choose overlay, then fit it all clips. Now click the scenes that are over bright and go to the adjustment, then negative the exposure or brightness so they won't look over bright. We will make them fit in. Do the same on the clips, only the ones that look over bright. Now select all clips and go to the adjustment section again and make sure the saturation 15 or 20 or 30, whatever. It's the coloring I used before instead of adding filters. Guys, it is starting lag because screen recording is working in the background. Sorry about that. Now select the intro first scene, go to animation, select fade in and set it to 0.2 or 0.3. Then select the audio and set the fade in to 0.3 or 0.2, exactly like the video. Select the intros end scene and add fade out too. And now add the other clips one by one with fade out like this. I'm trying to see the preview, but it's keep lagging. I'm so sorry about that.
And did you deal with Damon?
Yes. Yeah.
For 4 days?
Now select all clips again. Go to the adjustment, scroll down, find sharper and set it to 13 or 15, however you like. Now I think we're finished, but before exporting, go to the modify setting again, turn off proxy because it reduces the video quality and makes it a little blurry. Now click export, set up the setting like this. HEVC is more space saving, I recommended that. And for bitrate, set it recommended, not higher because it makes the file size bigger, so choose recommended. After you finish that, click export and wait it for it to finish. Okay, here we go, it's all done. Thank you for watching. I love you y'all. Bye bye.
Deal with Damon?
Yeah.
For 4 days?